Alright, hello, this is a beta showcase for a mod I've been working on called Not Enough Updates. So essentially it's not enough items, but for Skyblock items. So if we put our mouse over here, get this GUI. Currently there's no items in there, but we can change that by using this kind of item editor system I've designed. I allow people to contribute, because obviously there's no API that allows us to get all the data about every item in the game. Instead, what I've chosen to do is allow kind of contributors to post their own stuff. And the benefit of this is that we can also have wiki pages, which I'll kind of explain how to do in a second. But here we are, and we have this editor. And as you can see, we can click and we can drag to select. And it's multi-line, which if anyone's used Forge before, you'll know that isn't default for these kind of text boxes. This is all custom code that's running here, essentially. Pain in the ass to do. We can go ahead and we can select this. So for example, if we wanted to make this runes bow into an item entry, I can do this. Just change the values up here, make sure it's not rapid, like so. We can put in additional information over here. This additional information supports, as well as here, you can type to and so have a color code. You can type whatever, hello, you have different lines. And if let's just get a whole bunch of words here. I mean, I don't give a shit about running over like that. And then we have a click command, and we're going to set this one to view recipe, that will allow us to view the recipe for runes bow. And a lot of things we can obviously change the item ID. For example, you're running a wiki page and you wanted a wiki page on the spider's den. You might choose to make this a spider eye, right? But where are we going? We're going to go back to bow. And let's remove the enchantments from it. And here we go. We have a runes bow, and we can save to the local dist. I haven't implemented the uploading function yet. We can save that, and then if we open up this, we'll see that the runes bow appears here. We can left click this, and it will show us the recipe for runes bow. This is using the internal ID of the item if you want to wear. It's essentially just running this command, runes bow like that. And if we right click, we can see the information that you put in earlier. And yeah, there's this long paragraph of thing here. It splits onto a new line, and it's formatted nicely, and you have colors and all that fun bullshit. Obviously, I've implemented a searching algorithm here. So if we were to type in Runen, it stays there. If we were to type in some other junk, it goes away. It can also search the description here. So we type in shoot. There's a couple other things we can say title. And then runens, if we type title shoot, it's not going to show up. Description runens, not going to show up. Description shoot, it's going to show up. You can also do it by the item ID, or I think it's just ID, runens, bow, and probably another one that's escaping my mind at the moment. We have searching functionality there. Another thing we can do is we can type in acronyms, so it automatically will kind of compute acronyms. So if we type in RB, since RB is the first two letters of this title, it's going to match it. This is equivalent essentially to typing R space B. The way the searching works in this is it matches only the start of the sentence. So if we were to type in run bow like that, it would match because the RU from runens and the BO from bow would match here. This is just to improve efficiency and also just to allow this, I don't know, it's nice, essentially. And that's pretty much what I have right now. There's some nice animations. Still a couple of things to implement, but hopefully you're looking forward to the release.